everyone, welcome to Craft Your Love. My name is Deepthi and today's video is a very quick DIY. I just wanted to give my room a makeover just for Diwali. I was really missing home and I thought let's just do some changes in the room so that I can feel like it's Diwali here. So that is what I'm doing in this video. I'm doing very quick DIYs and hopefully that might help you in some way. And I will show you how my room looks after that. And yeah, that's about it. It's a very quick DIY and let's start.
For this DIY, I am taking dried flowers and with the help of metallic wax, I will just highlight the flower. It will give a really nice shine to it. The product that I'm using is from Itsy Bitsy. I will provide the link of these products in the description box in case you want to check them out. For the next DIY, I am using this stencil and with the help of sculpting paste, I will fill this stencil with the help of a palette knife. So the process is to evenly spread it on the stencil, and once the entire stencil is covered with the paste, we just simply have to remove it. And for the center of the design, I'm taking the same sculpting paste and trying to create a flower over here. So simply applying the paste and giving it some curve, and then finally sticking a glitter paper on the center. The paste will dry itself in some time.
So as soon as I enter in my room, here is the first wall. I have decorated it with lights and also I have embossed this particular design, and I have used sculpting clay to create this flower in the center. And when I move around, this is my hostel room. Here is my desk. I have kept a lantern, a candle and a vase with 2 flowers, and these are the lanterns that I DIY'd using paper dowly. I just wrapped it around and stick a glitter paper to just join them together, and then I have sticked it with the help of paper tape to this plank. And there is a light string that is going around, and that is how it looks. And on this side I have window at the center, and these are the 2 grill doors of the window. So I have opened it up and I'm using it as an organizer. So I have used these hooks. These I got from IKEA, so I am using these hooks to hang these stuff. So I have kept here scissor. Also DIY'd this setup, and I have another hook which holds few more things like the pouch, earphone, and on the right side as well I have few decorative stuff, like these are few quotes that I have handwritten, so I just wanted to display it over here. And I have also created this diya shape using glitter paper, and I have just sticked it around the light. And here is the bed, and then from here I have my tripod because I was shooting, and then there is a hook where I have few clothes hung, just ignore them. And this was the wall that I showed you at the beginning, and over here is the mirror, and here I am. So there was some fairy light left, so what I did, I just wrapped it around this mirror. So we have this huge mirror in our hostel room that is really amazing. Like, who wouldn't want that? Like, girls always want a big mirror. So that's the mirror. This is a wardrobe. Actually, it's a pretty huge wardrobe. And then on the floor I have kept this rug, and there is a doormat as well. And here I have kept few things like some decoration plant. This is a real plant, by the way. And then here I have few stationery, some skincare and more stationery stuff. And on the table, some of you were also interested in knowing what all I keep on my table. So this is the corner setup, and here I just have my iPad, my laptop, and I have sanitizer, then pen stand, then I have a water bottle, I have my watch, mouse, and LAN connection through here. And then other things, I keep it in the drawer. So in the drawer, like, it is all messed up. Like, I have my charger, hard disk. Sometimes when I don't want to use iPad, I just keep iPad also in the drawer itself. That's it. And the power connection is coming from here. I have an extension board over here behind the curtains, and here is the outside view.
And to give a different look, I have used a dupatta over the curtain. I have used safety pin to pin it up just to give a different look for Diwali.
So that's about my room. I have added fairy lights, and apart from that, there is also a white light in the room. Like, if you're wondering how I do my work, so there is a white light, but I just, in the evening, I just turn these yellow lights so it becomes more cozy. So that's the space. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and let me know what do you think about my room. Like, did you like it or not? Like, which part you liked it? So let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to hear. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy crafting, and happy Diwali to all the beautiful subscribers of mine and whoever is watching this video. Happy Diwali.